I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your identity, email, and phone must be verified so transfers aren't blocked. Next, open your wallet screen and note the available balance and the app's minimum payout amount. This prevents failed attempts. Then link the destination, either your bank account or a supported e-wallet. Enter routing and account numbers carefully. Once done, save and reopen the withdrawal dialog, so the app refreshes linked destinations and shows accurate fees and timing estimates. Now choose the withdrawal type. Instant transfers are faster but cost more, while standard transfers take longer with lower fees. Enter the exact dollar amount, watching decimal formatting and the app's min/max constraints so it accepts the input. Carefully review the fee line and the estimated arrival time. Make sure the destination account listed matches your intended account. Once everything matches, tap Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication, prompts to authorize the transfer securely. Finish by saving the transaction ID and noting the expected arrival date. This is your reference if funds don't appear. If the transfer fails or is delayed, first recheck that your account is fully verified and that the bank routing and account numbers were entered correctly. Small typos commonly cause rejections. If problems persist, contact support immediately with the transaction ID and screenshots so they can trace the payout. One troubleshooting tip: retry only after confirming status to avoid duplicate withdrawals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.